In this tutorial in Cyberlink PowerDirector, we'd like to give you an overview of the Brush Transition Pack and the Advanced Split Transition Pack. Both of these were made available in spring of 2021 for 365 subscribers. We'd like to show you quickly how to download each of the packs using the application manager, and then we'll play them so you can see in operation how the 20 transitions from the brush pack and the 18 from the advanced split pack actually look when you see them in action. In order to download either the Brush Transitions pack or the Advanced Split Transitions pack that we'll demonstrate, you simply open the Application Manager, and then in the left panel you move to Effect Packs and click on that, and here you'll see the elements that you have but have not yet installed. And so I'm going to do the Brush Transitions first. I simply click on the blue Install button. I'll be asked to accept the EULA, and it will download that program. And then when that's finished, I'll do the same with the Advanced Split Transitions pack, and then we'll show you what each one contains so you can determine whether or not these are packages that you would like to either purchase if you're not a 365 subscriber, or pack that you'd like to install if they're already part of what you have.